Hello my friends, hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to share my highlighter, contour and bronzer collection with you. So yes, if you are interested knowing that, then please keep on watching. So let me quickly tell you the difference between highlighter, contour and bronzer. In highlighting, we apply the product on our highest points where the direct sunlight is coming, and just to enhance that feature we put the highlighter. It gives us a nice sun-kissed look. So if here the sun on the top, light is hitting on our face, we can bronze on our forehead, across the cheek, chin, and that's it. If you want to bronze your body, then you can go till your chest, top of the shoulder, between your arms, and middle length of your legs as well. The contouring, it is more of a shadow sort of a thing. If a light is coming from the low point and hitting on your face from the low point, then those areas we contour, like jawline, hollow of our cheek, sides of nose if light is coming at certain angle, and just to contour the face we put it like contour our forehead, we put it around across the temple. This is the basic difference between highlight, contour and bronzer. Let's move on to the products which I have. For highlighting purpose, I have this Maybelline Touch Lumi concealer. It is a shade lighter to my skin tone, and it works pretty well as a highlighter. I apply it on my center of my forehead, under my eyes, bridge of nose, cupid's bow, and chin, and under the contouring area, and I just blend it with the beauty blender. It works pretty great that way. And I have this Bonjour Paris. Basically it is a concealer, but because it's a shade lighter to my skin tone, I use it as a highlighter product for myself. Then I use this Lakme Iconic Kajal in shade white as a highlighter because it is pretty white shade and it has shimmer particles in it, which also works perfect as a highlighter. And I have this Revlon eyeshadow. I use this as a highlighter as well. You can see it's pretty gorgeous shade, perfect for highlighting. I have this Stars Cosmetics bronzer. Actually it is a bronzer, but I use it as a highlighter because it is gorgeous color. As you can see, it's pretty color, perfect for highlighting. And yes, if you can see the glow. So I use this product as a highlighter, but if you want, you can use it as a bronzer. Coming to the contouring part, I have this contouring stick from Sugar Queen. I got this from Born Pretty store. This is the only cream contouring product I have currently. It has got nice contour at the one end, and the other end it has got the highlighting product. So yes, I use it for contouring and highlighting both. And if I'm using the powder product for my contouring, I generally go for dark color eyeshadows for contouring purpose. That's it. For bronzers, I have this blush from Blue Heaven. It's in shade number 505, and this is very nice bronzy color. As you can see, it's a very nice warm color. It is perfect for bronzing, and I use it as a bronzer, applying it on my forehead and across my cheeks and chin. It works pretty good as a bronzer. And coming to the another product, I have this Maybelline Cheeky Glow in shade cinnamon. This also works great as a bronzer because it is a warm shade. Any warm shade which has shimmers in it, that works perfectly as a bronzer. Contour should be matte only. It should not contain any kind of shimmer particles in it. This Very Me Peach Me Perfect Skin Glow from Oriflame. I use it on my face for highlighting and bronzing purpose. And this Very Me Peach Me Perfect Body Glow, I use this as a body highlighter or a bronzer, you can say. If you have the darker shade of this product, it will work as a bronzer, and if you have a lighter shade of this product, it will work as a highlighter. So yes, these are the products which I currently own in this category, and I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you have any suggestion, then do leave it in the comment bar. Hit the like button, share my video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.